Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by creating an 8 GB USB recovery drive using the Windows Media Creation tool. Next, back up your user files to an external drive or cloud storage before you open the laptop. Power down the laptop completely and unplug the charger from the wall before you proceed. If the battery is removable, take it out and store it safely. Work on a clean, flat surface with good lighting, and keep screws organized in a labeled container for reassembly. Ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap or touch a metal object frequently to prevent static damage. Remove the bottom access panel screws using a small Phillips screwdriver and lift the panel carefully. Identify whether your HP laptop uses an M.2 2280 NVMe or a 2.5-inch SATA drive bay before removal. For M.2 drives, unscrew the retention screw, pull the drive gently at a 30-degree angle, and slide it out. Install the new SSD by reversing removal steps and secure the retention screw firmly, but if you want an exact copy, connect the old drive to a USB 3.0 enclosure and run cloning software. Alternatively, perform a clean install from your 8 GB recovery USB and follow on-screen prompts to install Windows. Enter BIOS to ensure the new drive is detected and adjust boot order to prioritize the new SSD. Set storage mode to ASI if required by your system for best compatibility. After installation, install drivers, run Windows Update, and verify all applications and files operate correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.